How to amend a tax return on IRS. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about on how can you amend a tax return on IRS. So first of all, it's very important to use the correct form. So obtain Form 1040X, which is Amended US Individual Income Tax Return. This form is specifically designed for amending a previously filed tax return. Then after, complete the form, fill out the Form 1040X providing details about your changes you are making and explaining the reasons for the amendment. Be sure to include the correct information such as updated income, deductions, or credits. After that, if your amendment involves changes to your income, deductions, or credits, attach any necessary supporting documents. This might include WTS, 1099s, or other relevant information. If you're amending tax returns for multiple tax years, you'll need to file a separate Form 1040X for each year. Each form should be mailed in a separate envelope. Then after, check the correct box. Indicate that the tax year you are amending at the top of the Form 1040X and check the appropriate box to indicate the reason for the amendment. Then after, mail the completed Form 1040X to the address specified in the instructions. The address can vary depending on your location and whether you are expecting a refund or owe additional taxes. And after you mail the amended return, allow some time for the IRS to process it. You can check the status of your amended return using Where is My Refund tool, which is on the IRS website. And if your amendment results in additional taxes owed, it's important to pay the amount as soon as possible to avoid any interest or penalties. You can make a payment electronically through the IRS website as well. And it's very crucial to note that the amending a tax return should be done carefully and accurately. If you're unsure about how to proceed or have any questions about your specific situation, consider consulting with a tax professional for the guidance. Additionally, always check for updates and changes to the amendment process on the official IRS website. This was basically a discussion on how to amend a tax return on IRS. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.